Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. Apple's annual Developers Conference kicked off with high expectations for AI integration. Tim Cook is expected to deliver a keynote that lays out Apple's AI vision, focusing on a new system called Apple Intelligence. This system aims to embed generative AI features across iPhones, iPads, and Macs with the latest operating system upgrade. Rumors hint at features like web article summarization, auto-reply in the Mail app, and voice memo transcription. There's also talk of a major partnership with OpenAI, potentially bringing a version of ChatGPT to Apple devices, which could revamp Siri and other AI functionalities. With AI running the show, Siri might finally get off the bench. Right now, it's like watching your favorite team always losing in overtime. Amazon Web Services, AWS, announced plans to launch a new infrastructure region in Taiwan by early 2025, aiming to meet the high demand for cloud services in the Asia-Pacific region. This new region will consist of 3 availability zones, enabling local businesses to leverage AWS technologies like machine learning and AI. AWS also plans to invest billions in Taiwan over the next 15 years, continuing its rapid expansion in the region. Looks like AWS is committing to Taiwan for the long haul. Speaking of maintaining a long-distance relationship. Tomato AI, an AI startup, just raised a boatload of cash, enough to buy a small island. They're using generative AI to improve voice communications and have launched 2 nifty products, an accent softening tool for call center agents and a top-notch noise cancellation feature. The accent softener keeps your unique voice while making you sound less like a robot from a sci-fi movie. Meanwhile, the noise cancellation tool wipes out background noise so cleanly, it's like having a bouncer for your calls. With these tools, call centers will run smoother than a Gordon Ramsay risotto. No more blaming dropped calls on accents or your neighbor's barking dog. Authentic ID just launched a groundbreaking tool to combat deepfakes and prevent AI injection attacks. Using advanced algorithms, their new solution can detect fake videos, photos, and audio that fraudsters use to trick ID verification systems. This tech can spot errors in fake documents, identify counterfeit elements in images, and even analyze user behavior during ID. Finally, catching deepfakes faster than Marvel fans spot Easter eggs. No more fake IDs slipping through like bad plots. Elon Musk has withdrawn his lawsuit against OpenAI and its co-founders, Sam Altman and Greg Brockman. The case, which was based on a questionable legal foundation, has been dismissed without prejudice. Musk's lawsuit claimed that OpenAI shifted from a nonprofit to a for-profit entity, allegedly breaching their initial mission to benefit humanity. This comes as Musk's own AI venture, xAI, continues to gain traction. Looks like Elon Musk is pulling a classic celebrity move, creating drama, then dropping it just before the season finale. NVIDIA's valuation has skyrocketed, leaping from a few $100 billion to a staggering trillions in just 18 months, all thanks to the soaring demand for their data center GPUs. But they're not just hoarding their cash, they're spreading the love by investing in other AI companies. Their top picks, ARM Holdings and SoundHound AI. ARM designs processors used by tech giants, while SoundHound is revolutionizing voice recognition tech. NVIDIA's hitting the high notes in the AI concert, making it rain with those GPU sales. They're not just playing a solo, they're forming an AI super band. Next, we'll see them headlining Coachella with SoundHound on vocals and ARM on guitar. Hold on to your wallets, folks. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 is coming in hot with a price hike. The new foldable will start at just under $2,000, up from the previous models. And if you want more storage, prepare to shell out even more. But it's not just about the cost. Samsung is also offering new colors like navy, silver shadow, and pink. While competitors are lowering prices to attract more buyers, Samsung is cranking them up. $2,000 for a phone? Samsung's treating these foldables like high-fashion runway pieces. It's like they're releasing the Gucci of smartphones. Next thing you know, they'll come with their own catwalk music and a stern-faced model to hand it to you. Big news from Apple's WWDC 2024. Amid the flashy AI reveals, a small but mighty update for the Apple Watch stole the show. Finally, you can pause your activity rings. This feature is a game changer for those of us obsessing over closing those rings every day. Now, whether you're sick, traveling, or just need a break, you won't lose your streak. Plus, you can customize goals by day, making it perfect for those marathon recovery days. Pausing activity rings? That's like giving your DIY project a break when you realize you don't have enough duct tape. Now your Apple Watch won't guilt trip you for taking a day off from your build a backyard sauna project. Just hit pause and grab a cold one instead. Meta is gearing up to use social media content from European users to train its Llama AI model. This move aims to make their AI tools more relevant by accurately reflecting regional languages, cultures, and trending topics. However, this plan is hitting a wall of strict GDPR rules and backlash from privacy groups. Privacy advocate group NoIB has already filed complaints across Europe, arguing this could lead to severe privacy violations. Meta insists it won't use private messages, but says public posts should be fair game unless users opt out. The debate is heating up as Meta's new terms of service take effect soon. So, Meta's using our social media posts to train their AI? Sounds like they're turning the internet into one big dog park. They're like those people who insist on letting their dog sniff everything. Meta's just letting their AI sniff around our posts, hoping it doesn't end up in a privacy mess on the neighbor's lawn. Locavant just unveiled Spectrum, an AI-powered tool that helps contract research organizations optimize clinical trials in real time. Spectrum can run thousands of simulations in minutes to give researchers the best recommendations and course-correct mid-study. It features site startup modeling, scenario planning, and financial modeling, aiming to save time and cost. So Spectrum is like the MMA coach of clinical trials, analyzing every move and adjusting the strategy on the fly. It's like having a cornerman who can predict the opponent's next 5 moves. Let's just hope it doesn't throw in the towel when things get tough. Let's talk about a humanoid robot named Musashi that can drive cars. Researchers at the University of Tokyo have trained this musculoskeletal marvel to handle a car like a cautious grandparent. Musashi can see the road, use the turn signal, and even brake, though it takes about 2 minutes to make a turn. Musashi's driving like it's always rush hour in LA, slow and steady. It's like having a travel companion who insists on following every traffic rule to the letter. Just don't expect to get anywhere fast. Bring snacks for the road trip. MIT researchers are making robots more versatile. Until now, robots have been like that one friend who only talks about CrossFit, single purpose. But MIT is using generative AI to teach robots multiple tasks, calling it policy composition, or POCO. Imagine a robot that can flip pancakes and fix your door. MIT's AI models blend learning techniques, making robots more adaptable. Task performance has improved significantly. Sounds like they're gearing up to be the ultimate work-from-home assistants. These robots will be doing more than just one thing, unlike us during those Zoom meetings where we pretend to pay attention while making breakfast. Finally, a robot that can handle our multitasking better than we can. If you've ever wondered where the ads in your playlist come from, Spotify's got a new tune to play. They're launching their own in-house creative agency, aptly named Creative Lab. Their goal? To jazz up your ad experience with some truly bespoke marketing melodies. But wait, there's more. Spotify's dipping its toes into the AI pool with a new tool that cranks out voiceovers faster than your barista makes your morning espresso. They're calling it Quick Audio, and it's all about turning text into talk, minus the awkward human interaction. Speaking of Spotify, they're mixing ads like a DJ blends tracks with their new ad agency acting like a quarterback for your marketing. Just hope they don't throw a Hail Mary with a car insurance ad mid-song. When I said stop, hammer time, I didn't mean during my workout playlist. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.